Hey guys, I am Neha and welcome back to our channel about technology. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can change screen timeout in your Windows 11 system. You might be struggling with the issue that your display automatically turns off when you're not actively using your computer, which means you're neither typing anything nor you're moving your mouse. So to fix this problem, you have to set your screen timeout. To start, you have to open Settings window. For that, we have two methods. You can either write settings in your Windows search box and you can click open the app from here, or you can simply right click on the Windows icon present on the taskbar and from the displayed menu you have to click on settings. Now in settings, under systems, you have to search for power section. So this is the power section. Let's click on this. Now under power, we have a section screen and sleep. So let's expand this. Now here we have two options. First is turn off my screen after this much minutes, and the second is put my device to sleep after this much minutes. Now as we are concerned with the screen time, let us fix this first. For that you have to click this drop down arrow here, and if you can notice, this ranges from 1 minute to never. So here I would prefer to turn off my screen after 10 minutes, which means if I am not actively using my computer for 10 minutes, its screen should turn off. The next thing that we are going to set is sleep time, which means how much your computer must wait for you before going to sleep if you are not actively using your computer. So let's click on this drop down arrow here, and I would prefer my computer to wait 20 minutes before going to sleep if I am not actively using the computer. However, if you are using laptop, you must be having two more options over here. The first option is change screen time when system is on battery power, which means in laptop you can change screen time for both the situation, when your system is plugged in or when your system is on battery power. The second option will be change sleep time when your system is on battery power, which means you can set sleep time for two situations, when your system is plugged in and when your system is on battery power. So that's how you can change screen timeout and sleep time in your Windows 11 system. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more Windows 11 videos, please subscribe this channel as it will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment below what are the new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.